If you want to remove an emoji from a video in CapCut, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it using a simple masking method. This is a great workaround when you want to hide an emoji or cover a small area of your video without starting over from scratch. It's especially useful if the emoji is sitting on top of footage that you still want to keep. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and find the clip that contains the emoji you want to remove. The first thing you need to do is duplicate that video clip. To do that, press and hold Alt, then drag the clip upward to the layer above it. This creates a copy of the same video right on top of the original, which is important because we're going to use the top layer to hide the emoji. Now click on the duplicated clip, the one on the top layer, to select it. Once it's selected, look to the top right corner and open the Video tab. Inside that menu, click on Mask. This is where CapCut lets you hide part of a clip using a specific shape. Next, choose either the circle mask or the rectangle mask, depending on the shape of the emoji and the area around it. If the emoji is round or small, a circle may work best. If it's more square or you need to cover a wider area, go with the rectangle mask. After selecting the mask, position it directly over the emoji so it covers the part of the video you want to hide. At this point, the top clip is still showing the same footage, so the next step is to make the masked area blend with a clean part of the video. To do that, switch to the Basic tab, which is directly above the mask settings. Once you're in Basic, click and hold on the screen, then drag the frame until the mask section is placed over an area of the video that does not have any emojis. The goal here is to align the duplicated clip so the masked area reveals a clean section of the original footage underneath. Take your time with this part, because the better you position it, the more natural the final result will look. If needed, adjust the placement slightly until the emoji is no longer visible and the video looks seamless. And that's it, you've now removed the emoji from your video in CapCut using a simple duplicate and mask technique. It's fast, effective, and perfect for quick edits when you don't want to redo the whole clip. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.